I watched your video 3 times on mute by accident. Do I still get a free slushy cup?
As long as you liked it and subscribed.
I liked it silently too.
And subscribed?
I whispered subscribe but didn't press it.
My icy powers don't hear whispers, only clicks. Make sure you hit subscribe now.
Hey, sir. I watched 3 times while standing on one leg.
Olympic level dedication. Did you like the video?
Yes, my leg said ow, but my heart said like.
Are you subscribed?
I fell before I could.
Well, you need to get back up and hit that button to subscribe. That's if you still want a slushy cup.
When will I receive a slushy cup? I watched it 3 times while balancing popcorn on my nose.
That's weirdly impressive. Did you like it too?
Yup, used my nose.
Subscribed.
My popcorn fell on the button, maybe?
Go double check. Popcorn Wizard.
Frost, it's Easter, and I still didn't get a cup.
Did you like the video, little bunny?
I liked it like I liked chocolate egg.
Did you watch it 3 times like a proper egg hunt?
Yep, found every second of it.
And did you subscribe?
No, I was too busy painting eggs.
No sub, no slush. Hop back and press that button.
I'm gonna cry ice cubes if I don't get a cup.
Did you watch 3 times?
Yes.
Liked it?
Yes.
Subscribed?
I don't want to talk about it.
Then no cup for you until you do want to talk about it.
I watched it 3 times, liked it, and I'm yelling.
Why are you yelling?
Because I still have no cup.
Did you subscribe?
I'm yelling at the button now.
Yell after you click. It's never too late to subscribe, you know.
Where's my cup? I've been checking the fridge all day.
Did you like the video?
I liked it so hard my phone froze.
Watched 3 times.
Yup, even my dog watched once.
Subscribed.
Does the dog count?
No, no sub, no cup.
Can I have a slushy cup? I liked the video before it even loaded.
Have you watched it 3 times?
I guessed the plot.
Subscribed.
I thought liking early was enough.
You guessed wrong. No cup.
Where's my cup? I even danced in front of the screen for good luck.
Did you like the video?
Yes, I liked it before everyone else.
Watched it 3 times.
Yup, once backwards with sunglasses on.
Subscribed.
I subscribed to a random llama channel by mistake.
Well, subscribe to me too, or your cup's chilling somewhere else.
I want my cup and I want it frosty.
Did you like the video?
Of course. I even made it my wallpaper.
Watched it 3 times.
I watched it once with my eyes, once with my heart, and once with my cat.
Subscribed.
My cat tried to put subscribe to a bird video channel.
Nice try. But subscribe to me too. No pausing.
Why don't I have a cup?
Did you like the video?
I liked it so hard I cracked my screen.
Watched it 3 times.
Even more, I played it at my cousin's wedding.
Subscribed.
My phone tried, but Siri thought I said subscribe to soup.
Soup's not cold enough. Subscribe to me too.
Give me my cup. I told my whole school about you.
Did you like the video?
I liked it so fast my phone lagged.
Watched it 3 times.
I watched it in class, got detention for it.
Subscribed.
I got distracted by a slushy meme.
Well, scroll back and subscribe to me too. Meme master.
Where's my cup? I even cleared a VIP spot in my freezer.
Did you like the video?
I liked it and made it my screensaver.
Watched it 3 times.
Yep, once with popcorn, once with tears, once with sunglasses on.
Subscribe?
I subscribed to a guy reviewing shoelaces by accident.
Bro, shoelaces don't serve slush. Subscribe to me now.
Frosty, I want my cup. I wrote a rap about you and performed it for my cat.
Did you like the video?
Of course, my cat clapped.
Watched it 3 times.
Played it on the TV, my phone, and my calculator.
Subscribed.
I yelled subscribe at the screen.
Unless your screen has ears, subscribe to me too.